welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome and thank you for subscribing to my channel. Today we're going to use this palette, the one and only James Charles. I want to do a smoky look. I'm not sure what colors to use. I know it's gonna be black. So let's get started. I already primed my lids, did my eyebrows. I used the Painterly paint pot from MAC. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, so let's get into this palette. Alright, so I'm gonna use this Morphe brush. It doesn't have a number, but it looks like this. I'm gonna use that and I'm going to apply the shade Punch Me as my transition shade. Let me zoom you guys in a little. Perfect. Okay. So I'm just gonna apply it all over my lid. So now I'm gonna grab like a little bit of a smaller blending brush. I'm gonna grab, let's see, this one. I'm gonna grab this. This is from, actually, this is Real Techniques brush. It's pretty. It's something like this. And I'm gonna grab the shade Mary. I'm gonna grab that and I'm gonna put it in my outer corner. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab a pencil brush like this, and I'm gonna grab the black shadow. It's Spooky, and I'm just gonna, how do I say it? I'm just brain fart. I'm gonna just stamp the color around, and then I'll smoke it out, I'll blend it out. You'll see. gonna buff it out a little bit, but it won't look too harsh. I'm gonna use this little one that I have. It came from a palette. I believe it was Anastasia palette. I'm just gonna buff it out. Go in with this one again. I'm gonna grab the shade Mary. I'm just gonna put it right on top, right here. Okay, I'm gonna grab with my pencil brush again. I'm just gonna grab that spooky black dark shadow and just keep stamping it right in there. It should look like this right now. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna grab canvas and just put it on my lid. I'm gonna just grab a flat brush, something like this. There we go. Now, I kind of want to go a little bit more back with Mary, just to make it a little bit brighter, come out of its corner. Gonna go, where is it? Okay, I'm gonna grab my favorite one right now, the NYX, and I'm not gonna do a wing. I'm just gonna do like the black liner right here, just to, when I put my lashes on, you know, it will look a little bit better. So I'm just gonna do that. eyes. So I'm gonna, like usual, do my lashes and makeup off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy watching me do this look, and please subscribe and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching.